Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing an all shimmer eye look with the Shaaanxo palette, so get ready for it. Take off my glasses first. I'm going to be priming my lids with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. I would recommend not setting that with the powder just so that the eyeshadows stick more. I feel like mattes kind of need help blending, but shimmers don't, so just you want them to stick. And I'm going to take the Sonia Kashuk blending brush and go into the shade Glow Baby from the Shaaanxo palette. I'm just going to take that all in the crease, kind of where you would do your transition, but it's not really going to be our transition because you're going to be able to see it when the look is finished. And I go into that a couple times. It's a bit of a lighter shade, but it can really build up to what you see here. And make sure I blend that pretty well. It's not too difficult to blend, I just wanted to make sure it was seamless. And also I'm doing that trick where I hold my eye open and put the eyeshadow in the front just so it's visible when my eye's open because I have hooded lids. Then I'm going to take this e.l.f. domed brush and go into the shade Toasted and put that in the outer corner, and that's going to be kind of a base for the darker shade that we're going to use later. And I did build that up just a little bit because the shade is fairly light. Next I'm taking this e.l.f. flat brush and going into the shade Avocado. Usually I would use this with a dark base to kind of bring out the duochrome effect of it, but I think it still works on its own. It just has a different look to it. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. as just small blending brush and go into the shade Silhouette. I'm going to put that on the outer corner and then up into the crease some. It's really important, I think, in an all shimmer look to have some depth, so that's why I chose to put this dark color. You can leave it out if you want, you can use a different color, you can even use a matte, whatever you want to do. I'm just blending that pretty well just so it's not so dark. And then I'm going to take that flat brush again into the shade Holy Grail and put that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to take the Royal Techniques shading brush and go into the shade called Beach Babe and put that under the lower lash line. You could use one of the other colors in the lower lash line, but I just wanted to use all the shimmers in this palette. So there's a look with just the eyeshadow. Then now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And here is the look now. You could totally add eyeliner if you want to, but I chose not to as per usual. And then for lips I'm using the Lunatic Cosmetics AK-47 lipstick. I wanted to pick a more shimmery one just to kind of go with the shimmery eye look because I thought a matte would look odd. Alright, so there is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I know some people really have strong opinions about not using a matte eyeshadow anywhere, but I am totally okay with it, so we can recreate it if you would like. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for videos, and give this one a thumbs up if that it was helpful or useful, and subscribe so to miss any future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.